Don't go anywhere. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Carl is on it. Today we're going to be protecting as well as restoring our leather seats. Well, I say restore them, but I've already done a previous video of restoring them already. So this kit essentially is one to help protect your seats, and you can also restore them as well. Say for instance, if the color is sort of fading sort of thing, you can actually restore them with this. So I'll show you now. So in this box here you got 3 cloths, lint-free cloths. And then you have with us a deep cleanser, a leather colour restorer, and there's, just to mention as well, big thank you to Scratch Doctor for sending this all out to me. These were the same people I used in order to restore my roof. I hoped I could get a previous of what my roof looked like, and there was a kit that restored the whole sort of roof, made it look absolutely like new again. Yeah, I'll just do a little preview now. And these were the same people as well that I pretty much did my seats with. The only thing I didn't have was one to actually condition the seats in order to protect it. However, there is a sort of a clear coat on the seats now because of the kit that I used previously. But yes, I'll leave all that in the link in the description. But this video is mainly about protecting them. So, get back to this. So you got your deep cleanser. So this is in order to clean the seats as they are, remove any sort of dirt, grime, all that sort of thing. And then you have your leather colour restorer. So this is, and the thing is, they have different colours as well. So you don't only have to have black seats, you can have red seats as well, blue seats, any different type of colour seats really. They'll have a colour for your specific seat. And also a conditioner. So this is what you apply at the end in order for it to last long and for it to protect your seats. So yeah, we're gonna go straight into that and get these seats protected. But without further ado, people, let's get this roof opened up so that we can see everything that I'm doing, and let's do this. So first of all, I'm going to start with using the deep cleanser with the also I've got some gloves on as well, so just in case I don't get any leather colour restore on my hands. So yeah, we're going to start with the driver's seat first, and then we'll do the rear seats and then the passenger seat. So I'm going to mount this onto my head, and then you guys can see us do it in action. First of all, I'm going to start by opening the actual cap. I think this is like a shampoo sort of thing. How does it smell? It smells really nice as well. It smells amazing. So I'm going to use a bit of that and pretty much just rub it down on the seats and clean it up. I'm going to need a bit more than that, to be honest. Yeah, I'm going to need a lot more than that. Don't go anywhere. There we go. Just going to get that nice and clean. Also, whilst you're doing it as well, it's going to make your seats smell amazing too. So it's an added bonus, giving your seats a nice shower, well, a nice bath, sorry. And you can do this as many times as you like as well with this deep cleanser. So if your seats get dirty, say for instance you've got like kids or people, a bit messy, or even yourself, just use this and keep your seats clean. Here we go. So that's now nice and clean. This is going to be like a bish bash bosh quick sort of video. Just getting everything all done. So we got a bit of this black colour restorer. Apply that onto the seat, which is going to make the seats look so fresh now. So your 3 cloths have all 3 different purposes with each. One is to clean, One is to apply the colour restorer, and the other is to protect it at the end. So, yeah. Be generous with the amount you put on there as well, because that way you get all your colour back in the car. Seats are looking very, very fresh. Could do on the steering wheel as well, to be honest. Let's give it a go on the steering wheel. This is a leather steering wheel. Right, onto the back seats now. Someone was just looking at me like, what the heck is he doing with a camera on his head? I was just like, yeah. Right, so that's been cleaned. It's time to apply the restorer. If your seats are in terrible condition, this would pretty much bring it back to scratch with its colour. Like if the colour's absolutely faded, yeah, see the colour difference now. That. Yeah. Anyway, time to carry on. So that's that side done. So after letting the seats dry, I'm going to apply conditioner. Very sort of thick sort of substance really. So you apply it first. Sort of circular motion. And afterwards buff it to a haze. This is what will bring out the colour of the seat. This smells nice as well. It's got a very nice smell to it too. So the seats are just gonna absolutely pop, be like new again. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then afterwards you wipe it off. Apply that on the whole seat. Well, so that's now been applied to the seat. I'm now going to let it dry for 10 minutes as it says, so it gives you all the instructions on the back here. And then afterwards I'm going to buff it to a haze. That'll give you the best possible results for it. And allow the seats to last longer and look much more clean for a long time. Anyway people, just want to say a big thank you to all my current subscribers and the new ones as well that come in. Thank you for coming in and dropping by and subscribing. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, comment, share if you want to. And people, thanks so much for watching. Next video is going to be an interesting one. So yeah, let's do this thing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon people. Peace.